If you have noticed, Discord has recently launched a new set of profile called Decors. Each of them cost 4,100 orbs. But no worries, there are many orbs offers happening right now. Let's get started. So the first one is from Rockstar Games. I assume it's the GTA 6 trailer video. Anyway, I ain't playing that because last time I got copyright claim. It was a hassle to get that thing removed. Here's our first 700 orbs. No need to stop watching, there's more. The second quest is from First Light. I assume it's a new game. Interesting though, anyway, fast forward, and here's our second 700 orbs. So 7 twos are? Yes, 1,400 orbs. The third quest is from the Warframe. I assume this is also a new game that will be released. Isn't it interesting that Discord is getting so much of business lately? There's our 2,100 orbs. So 7 threes are? Yes, 2,100 orbs. We have 2,100 orbs in total so far. There's more to come. There's our fourth quest from Tomb Raider. I think I used watch to many live streams of this game before. Not sure what it's about, but either way, just watch the video and get your fourth 700 orbs. So 7 fours are 28. That means we got 2,800 orbs. Now the fifth quest is from Exodus. I guess this is also a game? I have no clue. Let me know in the comment section if you know these games and play it. The sixth quest is also a video trailer quest, but you need to watch this video on your phone's Discord. So get that done quick and claim your 700 orbs. And there we got 4,200 orbs. There's also a new free avatar frame. You can claim it if you want to, but you need to watch a 4 minutes trailer video for that. And there we have it, everybody. Now if you want the quest links, feel free to join my Discord support server and find Orbs channel. Now the reason why I mention free Nitro in my thumbnail is after claiming orbs, you can exchange them from a 3-day Discord Nitro. I also want to make it clear to a few that Orbs is an official feature of Discord. Getting Nitro from Orbs exclusive shops. This was a small one-liner for YouTube mods who think Orbs is illegal. I've also linked Discord's official article about the orbs in the description. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify Channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.